We all go to restaurants, but how we experience the brand depends on three key factors: food, the ambience, and how the staff treat you. What goes behind the scenes to give you this experience? Let's go to the actual restaurant and find out these factors that decide the restaurant brand. The brand story I'm sharing today is from Bangalore. It's called Sapphire by Unicorn, located in the 37th Crescent Hotel. Let's get started. Let's go.
Sapphire is a brand we just came up with 2 months back with a couple of friends, Mr. Govardhan and Mr. Gurunath. I know them from a long association through my restaurant called Unicorn. Unicorn is a restaurant which was there on Infant Road, which was started in 1990. We specialize in Konkani style seafood. Then we have multi-cuisine options like Chinese and Tandoor and North Indian. We have our own recipes like Unicorn special prawns is there, and there is fish curry, and there is prawn curry. Some house specials which you get, if you have to eat, you have to come to Unicorn. It was that kind of a place. The seating was 60. So I closed on Unicorn and we came up with the idea telling that we need to come up with a new place. That's the reason the brand Sapphire was created. The reason we chose this locality was our customer base was from this particular locality and a place called Sadashinagar and Malleshwaram. The total area of this particular place is around 3,200 plus. So we had to divide it into 3 portions. What we decided was we'll go one with an old 90s theme, one with a Gen Z theme, that is a casual dining. As you see, we have come up with a stage for live music, karaoke, a stand-up comedy and open mics. When it comes to the ambience, we are the first people to come up with a 9 feet by 21 feet canvas run by my close friend called Puneet, and one for open air, people who like to dine in the open.
Unicorn special prawns is one of their own recipes. We asked the staff to prepare and show how it was done.
Ingredients are sourced from the ground level. Because my partner is from the catering industry, we use fresh ground ingredients. Let it be chili powder, let it be any kind of masala. We have our own recipes, we get it done from people. Completely home style. What is cooked in my home is what is being cooked over here. I can segregate it into 2 parts, North Canara and South Canara. South Canara is a different cuisine altogether. North Canara is the Konkani cuisine. South Canara is the Bunt cuisine and the Kundapur style, which you know. Over here, we are following the Konkani cuisine. We have a separate segment called House Specials. The recipes are either created by my dad or me. See, I've got a very good contact in Bangalore who sources fish from a place called Ganguli and Mangalore. He supplies to me on an everyday basis. He supplies me all the seafood part of it like carne, prawns, then blue crabs. I use only blue crabs. Chicken, I buy it on a morning and evening basis. It's from the local store. We have trials because everybody has a different palate. So one person likes spicy, one person doesn't like spicy. So we have at least 4 to 5 trials before coming up with a new menu or any kind of dish approval. Process in the sense, first we try the meat just with salt and pepper. Then we keep adding, we just remove some items. Then when the balance comes, we make 3-4 people eat it. Then okay, if in the 3-4 people, 2 people like it, then we expand the thing to 5 people, then 10 people. So I'm just giving a ratio. So when it goes to the maximum people liking it, yeah, the dish is on. See, I will explain one dish, that is Unicorn special prawns. Prawns is a delicate meat, so it can't be overcooked, it can't be undercooked. It needs to be perfect. And to add to that flavor, whatever masalas you put on it has to be balanced so that you don't lose out the flavor of the prawn. That is what we have achieved. To just create that dish, it took us more than 4-5 months. Just one dish. Spice level in the sense, a person we ask him, like there's 2 kinds of spice. That's red chili spice and green chili spice. Once you serve it to the customer, they'll tell, okay, it's too hot. Then we reduce the spice. Green chili is the hottest. So once the green chili taste goes into a person, then he knows, sir, it is too spicy. Then we balance the recipe out and then the product comes out. I'm very much into customization. See, the way I take orders is, I don't go through the menu. I go to the customer's choice. I prepare that particular dish the way the customer likes it. run a restaurant like this, you need minimum 50 people. We hire it organically. Organic and so we are old school people. We have a contacts in the industry whom we just put a word across. They send people and from there we multiply. I believe in loyalty. I see the person, I judge the person. If he's good enough for the job, yes. Right from scratch I train him. The fixed cost is the advance, then the interiors, the kitchen equipment, then operating cost if you come to salaries, rent again, electricity and water plays a major role. See, I have trained my staff in such a way to be patient. This industry needs patience. And the first thing I've told them is, if you get into something like that, first report it to me, I will handle the situation and I take care of it. The training procedure of service people takes at least 1 month. And they are trained in such a way, even if they are bad mouth, they just keep quiet and come to me. This industry needs patience. I repeat it again.
So that was Sapphire by Unicorn, a restaurant brand story. The idea is to do business insider type of documentaries. This is the first brand I went out and recorded. Kindly share your feedback in the comment section and I will come back with another brand in a different category.